am coming to you because I learned an incredible computer hack that is changing the way I'm able to work online and keep track of everything. And I want to share it with you because it is amazing. So if you already know how to do this, great. I don't know why you haven't shared with me before, because I am just learning how to do this and I'm super duper excited. Now, if you're anything like me, you spend a lot of time on the computer throughout the day. My problem when I do that is I end up having like 25 tabs open. Like I'm looking at my screen right now. I've got so many tabs open in my Google Chrome. I have a hard time finding what I need when I need it. So here's the thing. I learned that if I create a folder in my bookmarks, and then open up every single page that pertains to whatever my folder topic is and put it into that folder, I can have everything I need right at my fingertip. So why am I telling you this? This is why. Over the last several months especially, but over the last several years, I often will get people who tell me, I missed a particular event because I didn't hear about it. Or I didn't know about this. Facebook isn't showing me what I need. Or I'm not sure where to find the information I need. Or, oh my gosh, I remember you telling me how to do this, but I don't remember that website. What is that website again? This is going to be a way for you to have everything MarlyBird wrapped up into one little place right there on your Google Chrome, and you will always be able to find the information you need from me. This is going to be super handy when we go into the turkey trot time of year, when we go into 24 days of quickies, when we go into game day, and so on and so forth. Being able to have that one main page saved in your bookmarks in that folder will make life so much easier as far as you being able to follow along with what I'm doing. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through everything you need to know to do this. Okay, you guys, what I've done here is at the top of this, all of my tabs up here at the top of Google Chrome, and I'm doing this in Google Chrome. I love Google Chrome and this works really great for me. I have opened up a tab for everything that I thought maybe you would want to have all in one place that referred to MarlyBird. Now, this doesn't mean this is all you can have. It just means these are ones that I thought of at the top of my head. I've put a link to all of these tabs in the video description box of this video, so you can get these same tabs, all right? So here's what we're gonna do. Can you see my bookmark bar right here? All right, I'm going to right click on my bookmark bar and I'm going to say add folder. When I add this folder, I'm going to put in there MarlyBird, just MarlyBird. How about just MarlyBird, right? So I'm going to click OK, and you'll see that that bookmark or that folder is already listed right there in my bookmark. All right, so here's what we're going to do. This is the coolest thing. So I opened up Facebook and I opened up to the Facebook MarlyBird page. So this is the page that some of you are like, oh, I'm not getting the updates. I'm not sure what to see. Well, we can go into later on how you can ensure you see everything from this page. But for this particular video, let's learn what to do. Right there where you see that lock, okay, that lock right next to the URL, you're going to click that lock and hold down the button and drag all the way over to that folder and drop it in. Now, when I click on that folder, you see right there, it has the MarlyBird Facebook page there. So if I'm ever like, oh, I haven't seen Marly's Facebook page in a while, instead of doing a search on Facebook, I can open the MarlyBird folder, click on that, it'll take me to this page. Pretty cool, right? All right, so we're gonna do the next. The next one is the Marly's Minions page. Hello, my minions. I love you guys so much. If you are not part of the Marly's Minions page here on Facebook, you totally should. We have a great time over there. You're getting kind of a sneak peek of what's behind the scenes there. But I'm in the Marly's Minions Facebook page. Again, I'm gonna go to this lock. I'm gonna tap it, hold down, bring it over here, and drop it right into that folder. Now, if I click on that folder, I can see that I have 2 Facebook. See how this is working up? All right, so my next one is the MarlyBird website, but it's not just the website in generic, it's the website blog. So what I did is I went to marlybird.com, I clicked right there where it said blog, and so whenever there is anything on the blog, it pops up right here. So if you're ever like, what is Marly doing? What's the featured pattern of the week? What is the giveaway she's doing? Whatever it may be, it's always on my blog. So that's why I put the blog there. I don't know why this says not secure, because it is secure. It's in HTTPS, but I'm going to grab it, bring it over here, and put it right into that MarlyBird. Again, it's right there. Okay. In the same idea of having everything in one place, I have also went to marlybird.com. See right there, it says that it's locked. I don't know why the other one didn't, but whatever. I went over here to patterns and I clicked on free knitting patterns. So this is my free knitting patterns page. Whenever I put out a free pattern, this is where I list them. Like they're also on the blog. Sometimes they're somewhere in the website, but you can always come here to this page, and I tried to organize them as best I could as far as categories. And then over here on either the left or the right, there's a link to the various patterns that I have available for free, either on my website or if they're hosted over at Yarnspirations. So I want to make sure I'm always able to find MarlyBird Facebook or free patterns. So I'm going to make sure I add that to my folder. I want to do the same thing with the crochet patterns. So right here, these are all my crochet patterns, all my free crochet patterns. Once again, they're all separated based on the topic, and then there's links over there either to the right or to the left. So I'm going to click that and put that in my folder. Great. Of course, I want you to already be a subscriber to the MarlyBird YouTube channel, and hopefully you have hit the notification bell button. But I do know that there are some of you who still just have a hard time finding my YouTube channel. So let's make it easy for you. I went to youtube.com. If you just do youtube.com/MarlyBird, it brings you here, but you can see there it says user/MarlyBird. I'm just going to grab that, put it over here into the folder, and now I have it listed right there. Very easy peasy, easy way for me to find my YouTube channel. Those of you who like to follow me on Instagram, and this is really helpful even if you use the Instagram app, if you're using the Chrome app on your phone, because these bookmarks can transfer over to your phone. It's easy to find my Instagram page. So I don't post there a lot, but I do try to. So you can grab my Instagram, come over here, put it in the folder, and there you have it. We have Instagram over there. Ravelry. So I do try and post all of my patterns on Ravelry. I have probably about 100 patterns that have not been listed yet that were in books. So I need to do that. But if you are ever like, hey, I wonder if Marly has a pattern on XYZ and you're part of the Ravelry community, you can always come here to Ravelry and check out some of my designs. Or if you're looking for a way to support me, one of the best ways to do that is even just coming in here into Ravelry and clicking on a design and make sure you add it to your favorites, because that helps the algorithms in Ravelry know that people are liking this and they put it in the hot right now list, and it's just a whole thing. Anyways, on here, this is a great way to see all of my patterns, but also up here at the top where it says pattern store, you could also click on the pattern store and it takes you to all the patterns I have for sale in PDF format. So there's a lot of value to knowing where my Ravelry designer page is. So I've included that in the list of things that you could put in your MarlyBird folder. All right. Last but not least, I am giving you the link to order Chic Sheep yarn online directly from Yarnspirations. It does include my affiliate link, so they know I did send you. So that's what that is up there. If you see, it says influencer MB and then the @ sign, it gives all the information there. But that's so that they know I sent you. But I put a bit.ly link in there so you can do that. But again, grab that, stick it right in the folder. Now, if you're ever in doubt and you want to order Chic Sheep or any other yarn from Yarnspirations, click that link and Yarnspirations knows I sent you. So that's a great way to make sure my affiliate link is used every time you go to Yarnspirations, even to download patterns, you guys. That lets them know that their advertising dollars, their marketing dollars, their ambassador dollars are getting spent well, because they know you are hearing about them and their stuff from me. So those are the tabs that I thought would be really good to add to the MarlyBird folder. You can see there's quite a few there, but this is a great and easy way for me now to find anything MarlyBird. Now, I'm going to come back here and I'm going to go back to the marlybird.com and let's just have a discussion and let's talk about the knit along. And this takes you to a page where it lists all the different knit alongs I've done. And let's just say you are following along with the Joanne stitch along that I'm doing right now. And you're like, I just want to make sure I'm always able to get back to that page Marly talks about. Well, you can click on that image where it's for the Joanne stitch along, and it will take you to the post that I wrote up about the stitch along. So it gives all the details that you need for the stitch along. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see where you can actually get the pattern. If you click here, you can get the pattern. And then I've been adding the YouTube links for each of the videos as they're released. So if you want to go ahead and save this particular page into your folder, you can do that. We're going to grab that link, put it in our folder, and you can see it's listed right down there. Now, when the event's over, if I want to remove it, all I have to do is right click and I can say delete, and it deletes it out. So that is a great way as we're coming up to the Turkey Trot event or the 24 Days of Quickies or all these different events where you always have to come back to one singular page. If you don't want to lose that page, stick it in that MarlyBird folder. All right, I hope that was helpful for you. It is incredibly helpful for me. I would love to know what other tabs you would be interested in adding to your MarlyBird folder. Leave me a comment below. Make sure you have smashed that like button and tell me what other tabs you would add to yours. All right, guys, that's it for me. I am going to talk with you later on. Bye.